Have you ever opened TikTok just for a few minutes? And then suddenly it's been 2 hours. It's kind of crazy, right? But even crazier is this: TikTok seems to know exactly what you want to see. Cat videos, cooking hacks, emotional breakup stories. Somehow it shows you the perfect mix. But how does TikTok know your taste? Well, it's not magic. It's something called an algorithm, a smart system that learns from what you do. The moment you start using TikTok, the app begins watching your behavior. Not in a scary way, but in a very detailed way. For example, when you watch a video all the way to the end, TikTok sees that as a strong yes. If you skip it quickly, that's a no. If you like a video, comment, or share it, that's a super strong yes. Even what time you use the app, what music you enjoy, or which creators you follow, all of this becomes data. TikTok then uses this data to build a profile of what kind of content you enjoy. The more you scroll, the better TikTok understands you. Let's say you watch 3 dog videos in a row. TikTok thinks, aha, this person likes dogs. So it shows you more dogs. But not just any dogs, maybe it notices you prefer small puppies or funny dog fails. It gets more specific. This is how you end up on DogTok, BookTok, or even SadTok. But here's the clever part: TikTok also learns from people similar to you. If others who like dog videos also like travel content, TikTok might recommend you a travel video next. That's how you discover new interests, even before you know you're interested. So in the end, TikTok doesn't read your mind. But it does read your habits. Every scroll, every pause, every like, it's like a secret message that tells the algorithm what to show next. That's why your For You page feels so personal. So next time you think, wow, this app really gets me, just remember it's because you trained it. And the more you use it, the better it gets at giving you exactly what you want. Sometimes even before you know you want it.